This is going to be a video tutorial on how to install Amazon as a desktop app. I will be using a PC for this. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. I have a very cluttered desktop, but if you look right up this way, I have a little app here called Amazon. If I double click on that app, it opens up Amazon as an app. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to delete this. And I'm going to uninstall the app so that I can show you how I installed it. I have to first uninstall my app. I'm going to go to Add or Remove Programs, Installed Apps. I got to wait for this to populate. I'm going to scroll down. Right here is Amazon. I have an app called Amazon. I'm going to uninstall this. I'm going to close this out. Now, to install the Amazon app, you can use either Chrome or Edge. There might be other browsers that this will work on. I know about Chrome and Edge. I'm going to show you how to do it on both those. I'm going to start off with Chrome. To use the Chrome app to install the Amazon app, the first thing you want to do is open Chrome, go to Amazon, log into your account. Then the next thing you want to do, go up to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot hamburger menu, click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Cast, Save, and Share. Then you'll go straight off to the left and straight down to where it says Install Pages App. Click on Install Pages App. A little dialog box will open up. You can rename your app. Say that I wanted to have mine just say Amazon. And then you would click on Install, and it will install Amazon as an app. I'm going to hit Cancel because I'm going to show you how to do it on the Edge web browser. Using the Edge web browser, kind of the same process. You want to go to Amazon. You want to log into your Amazon account. Then you will go up to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Apps and click on Apps. Then you'll go straight off to the left side to where it says Install this site as an app. You can see the little Amazon logo there. I'm going to click on that. Now a little dialog box opens up saying Install this site as an app. You can rename it. Say that I wanted it to just say Amazon. Then you click on Install. It takes it just a few seconds. Now it has opened the Amazon app, and another dialog box has popped up asking you where you want the icon to be located. Do you want to pin it to your taskbar? Do you want to pin it to your start menu? Do you want to create a desktop shortcut? I'm going to go with Create Desktop Shortcut, and I'm going to take these other two out. You just have to use your own preference. Then you'll go down and click on Allow. Now, the Amazon website has become an app on my computer. If I close this out, there is my desktop app right there. If I double click on it, it opens Amazon as an app. You still have all the same features that you would normally have, but it is now an app. That is how to install Amazon as an app on your desktop. Thanks for watching.